2, 3.
Peace!
What does peace smell like? One more time. What does peace smell like? Who is ready?
It
Yeah.
smells
like
a lollipop.
Lollipops.
Like a cookie.
Cakes.
Like cakes. No, peace doesn't smell like war. Like dogs? Interesting.
Like garden.
Like a garden. Mhm.
Like a flower.
Like perfume.
Like sausage.
Very good. Next question. What does peace look like? 1, 2, 3. What does peace look like? What does peace look like?
It's look
It looks like
beautiful flowers.
beautiful flowers. Yes.
White
Like your mother. Uh-huh.
look like a piece.
Like
like
what?
a
A bee?
Like a piece.
Like a peace. Like a Batman.
Like a family.
Uh-huh.
Like rainbow.
Like a rainbow. Okay, next question. What does peace sound like? 1, 2, 3. What does peace sound like? Who is ready?
Dubstep.
Whoa, dubstep. Who is ready there? Vova, what does it sound like?
Rap.
Rap. Like rap music, okay?
Like a favorite cartoon.
Like a favorite cartoon.
Like Bob Marley.
Wow, good.
Classic.
Like what?
Classic.
Classic music.
Elvis.
Mozart.
Elvis.
Elvis Presley.
Birds.
Bird singing. Uh-huh. Next question, please. What does peace taste like? 1, 2, 3. What does peace taste like? Yummy, yummy. What does peace taste like?
Sweet cookie.
Sweet, sweet cookies.
Cake.
Uh-huh.
Bubble gum.
Uh-huh.
Biscuits.
Biscuits. Sushi.
Hamburger.
Hamburgers.
Pizza.
Pizza. Mhm. Wow. Happy meal. Okay, and the last one. What does peace feel like? What does peace feel like? What does peace feel like?
Sleep.
Like sleep, like a hug.
Hugging.
Like family.
Uh-huh, like
Family.
family. Uh-huh.
Like a lot.
Happiness, like
Like a love.
love. Can you everybody hug each other and say peace to you? Peace. Thank you. Good job.